Hello, guys. Welcome to ChronoLogic Livestream. My name is Daniel Kmak, and today I'd like to present to you the new improved token transfers, new token transfers for ERC20 tokens using MyCrypto interface. So I have a lot of content for you. Just let me know in the chat if you can hear me, and yeah, say hi. Okay, let's continue. So today on our agenda we have first, because we are using Ethereum alarm clock technology to schedule the tokens. Then first I'm going to explain a little bit how this technology, what is this technology. Then we'll go to scheduling tokens, more information, why it could be useful for you. Then we'll talk about the interface that we're going to use, the wallet that we're going to use, and this is MyCrypto wallet, and we will at the end demo whole token transfer, and you'll be able to schedule token transfers yourself. If you want to prepare for that, then just make sure, if you want to follow along with the live stream, then just make sure that you use MetaMask wallet, or you import your wallet to locally downloaded MyCrypto version. So let's continue. First, we'll talk about the Ethereum alarm clock. So Ethereum alarm clock is a fully decentralized protocol for scheduling transactions on Ethereum. It allows for time and block-based scheduling. It's incentivized. It has a market. There are people who schedule transactions, and also people who execute transactions are incentivized. Everything is open source. It's public. You can take a look, and you can see the code. And when we are talking about the code, it has been audited by Bokipuba, and so it's safe. It has been checked, and it transferred more than 1,100 ETH, which is about like $300,000 of value. So the protocol has been tested on production. We can say we also have some trust if people transferred that much Ether, and we really encourage everyone to use this protocol. And scheduling tokens. Why would you like to schedule tokens? So maybe tokens. Maybe you agreed with someone to pay them in tokens, maybe as a salary, and maybe you run ICO and you had some advisor, and you agreed to pay them maybe each month some fixed amount of tokens. Then you can schedule this. You don't need to each month, remember, and to schedule the tokens. You can just to send the tokens. You can schedule the tokens ahead, and just it's one thing less that you have to do in the future. So you can do it right away as a salary. There are obviously other cases. Maybe you had some contributors to your crowd sale or something else, and you want to distribute it. Then as well, you can use the Ethereum alarm clock for that. And yeah, lots of use cases. Anything you can imagine. You can just do an transfer with the tokens as you would do like normally. Then you can also schedule that. And we have new improved interface in MyCrypto for that. So it will be easier for you because we integrated token transfers earlier. I think we did it like a month or two ago, but we decided to improve this experience for you, so it's more straightforward, and you will see that now it's just really easy. We'll get to that in a second. So MyCrypto is a wallet. You can visit them by going to mycrypto.com, and we are working with with their team, and it's been really amazing cooperation. And yeah, shout out to MyCrypto. Here's here's a pull request we're talking about. It's as you can see, it's been 22 files changed. So I'm showing the programming effort behind it. There's also a small description behind it. So yeah, we changed some stuff, and now it should be safer to use this interface, and as well much easier to use. So guys, if you would like to follow along, just make sure you have a MetaMask extension, or you use offline, not offline, but desktop version of MyCrypto, and you have some wallet. And also make sure you have some token on your account, because we are going to schedule token transfer. And you can send an ERC20 tokens. If you would like to send ERC721, which is crypto collectibles, then you can head to our DApp, to app.chronologic.network. And since last week, you can also schedule CryptoKitties and Dragonirian dragons. So yeah, we're bringing more and more integrations for you. And guys, please like this video and also subscribe to our channel. This is because the video will reach a bigger audience, and we show a lot of cool stuff here. For example, how you can schedule normal Ether transactions, how you can schedule token transfers. We also show how to, for example, use MyCrypto wallet and all this stuff. We have also lots of interviews. One of them is, for example, with Vitalik. We're gonna give you more and more tutorials. And also, if you like the video and subscribe, that means you appreciate our effort, and we're doing this for you. So yeah, we're really grateful for that. Okay, so now let's go to some demo from this presentation. So if you would like to schedule token transfer, we are going to do it using MyCrypto. So just make sure you go to mycrypto.com. When you hit this page, I'm going to refresh so you can see. Okay, this is loading. Let me just hit it. Yeah, so you go to mycrypto.com, and it's actually a first step. Then you choose how you want to access your wallet. And I'm going to access a wallet using MetaMask. So I choose MetaMask here, and make sure your MetaMask account is unlocked, and then press MetaMask. After you unlock your account, you're going to land on this page. I'm just going to make sure that everything has loaded properly. So I'm going to wait for this spinner here to complete. I'm not sure. Looks like we might experience some little network issues. Okay, I want to make sure that this is going to work properly, so I'm going to refresh once again. Okay, I'm not sure what's going on with mycrypto.com. Let me just try to go to some other page to see if my network is okay. Okay, let's see now. Okay, excuse me, guys. I had some troubles, but now I think everything should work. So yeah, go to mycrypto.com. Then we use MetaMask. Then we need to fill the data here, and so we'll fill two address. But first, let's make sure that you have the token balances displayed here. So just make sure you have some tokens, and if you cannot see any tokens here, then press Scan for Tokens button. I have some tokens, and I'm going to schedule day token transfer, but you can schedule any token transfer. So let me just grab the address. This is the address I want to send to. Then I'm going to change the unit here from ETH to day. I'm going to send 1 day token. And to schedule this transfer, because this would be a normal transfer, you need to press Send Later button. So let's do this. And now we have all the details, and we can choose the time when we want this to be sent. So for example, I want it to be sent on Friday, maybe 8 p.m. You pick your time zone, and you also need to pick a time bounty. I'm going to stick to default one. It should be fine. Gas price 20. It should be okay, considering that now the gas price is lower, but 20 is like a standard one. If the network is going to be more busy, if it's going to be busier than 20, still will make sure that the transaction will be delivered. So once again, you have to fill two address, amount, change the unit to the token you wish to send, pick a time, and that's actually all you have to do. And then we can press schedule transaction. So I'm going to maybe raise gas price a bit. So let's make sure it's going to be processed quickly. And now we can press schedule transaction. So let's do it. And you can see exactly how this token transfer is going to be delivered. So it's one of the improvements that we display exactly contract addresses that's going to go through. So we are displaying here the day token contract because it's one of the contracts, because the token contract. Then we have the scheduler contract, and we have our tokens recipient. So you can just on this screen verify all this stuff, make sure that this is what you wanted to do, and verify the token address. If you would like, you can also verify scheduler address if it's Ethereum alarm clock. Just do these checks for yourself. And we also have a message here. It says that it requires 2 transactions. And this is because how Ethereum works. So the token transfers require 2 transactions. One is creating scheduled transactions contract. And then you have to approve the scheduled transaction contract to use up your tokens amount up to the amount that you have scheduled. So you will see the second transaction in a bit. Now let's send the first one, and let's see what happens. So now we have to sign this transaction using MetaMask. If we were using MetaMask, I'm going to press confirm. Yeah, and now the transaction is being mined, and we can approve it later in the Chronos app. And this is what we have shown to you on a previous live stream. But this time we are going to show you the flow only using MyCrypto wallet, so you don't need to go to any other site. You can just stay on MyCrypto. And we got MetaMask notification that the transaction has went through. And this is next improvement. So previously, the transaction approval screen, it could be a bit misleading. Now there's just one button saying approve tokens. You also can see the address of scheduled transaction. And yeah, because this is necessary for this token transfer to go through, then we're just going to press approve tokens. And one thing that maybe you would like to do to verify that everything is correct, then this is the address of the scheduled transaction. And you can remember maybe the beginning of it. So it's 781. And on the approval tokens transaction model, it should be the same. So let's click approve tokens. And you can see that you approve this token transfer via the smart contract. And it approves for scheduled transaction. And we can verify the address. It begins with 781. So it's exactly what we wanted to do. So now let's press send. We can see in MetaMask that it's approve method called on a contract. It approves usage up to 1 day. And let's press confirm. So that was all you had to do to schedule a token transfer using MyCrypto. So I was going slow through it. I was explaining everything during the process for you, but it's just really in just a few steps. It was a very simple process, very straightforward. It's hard to miss something, and yeah, that was all. And we hope that you're also happy that it's so simple to schedule token transfers now using MyCrypto. If you would like to see what's going on with this approved transaction, because it obviously has to go through, then you can see it on Etherscan. But yeah, it's also been mined. You can see it's approved. So yeah, it's all you had to do to schedule tokens on MyCrypto. And now, as you've seen this demo, I'd like to invite you to join our Telegram group, where you can chat with us if you have any questions about this feature, or you have some suggestions for us and interesting ideas. Then you can join our Telegram group, and we're there. We are happy to answer all of your questions, and happy to talk to you. If you would also like to get some updates, then follow us on Twitter. Obviously, dynamic on Twitter. Twitter is less dynamic than Telegram, but you can also get a lot of valuable updates as well. You will be able to see when's the next live stream. It's the same with YouTube. Subscribe to the channel. Then you will also see. You will get notifications when there will be new live stream. You will not miss anything. So we encourage you to do it, and we hope that you get a lot of value from these live streams as we show you different ways you can use the technology we are creating. So yeah, that was it. Thank you so much. Please hit us on Telegram today. If you have any questions, go to mycrypto.com, go to chronologic.network/schedule, where you will get the tutorial how to schedule using MyCrypto. And yeah, it was super cool to be here today to show you all this stuff, guys. And just make sure that if you have any feedback for us, and then you send it to us, probably on Telegram. We're listening and we're improving the things we have built previously. As you can see, we're stepping up the game all the time. So yeah, I was happy to have you here, and have a nice day. Bye.